Welcome to my channel. Epson printer won't connect to Wi-Fi? Fix it fast. Step 1. Check your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your Wi-Fi router is turned on and working properly. Test the connection by connecting another device, like your phone or laptop, to the same network. Step 2. Restart your printer. Turn off your Epson printer, wait for 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. A simple restart often fixes temporary connection issues. Step 3. Reboot your router. Unplug your Wi-Fi router for about 1 minute. Plug it back in and wait until all the lights become stable before reconnecting the printer. Step 4. Move the printer closer. Keep the printer close to the router during setup. Walls, furniture, and other electronic devices can weaken the Wi-Fi signal. Step 5. Verify the Wi-Fi password. Double-check that you're entering the correct wireless password. Even one incorrect character will prevent the printer from connecting. Step 6. Connect to the correct Wi-Fi band. Many Epson printers work best with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. If your router has separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, connect the printer to the 2.4 GHz network. Step 7. Run wireless setup again. Open the printer's network or Wi-Fi settings menu and start the wireless setup process again. Select your network and enter the password carefully. Step 8. Update the printer firmware. If your printer connects temporarily, check for available firmware updates. Installing the latest firmware can improve wireless performance and fix known bugs. Step 9. Reset the network settings. Restore the printer's network settings to factory defaults, then reconnect it to your Wi-Fi network from scratch. This can solve persistent connection problems. Step 10. Reinstall the printer on your computer. Remove the printer from your computer, then install it again using the latest Epson printer drivers. This refreshes the connection and ensures the printer is properly recognized. Thanks for watching.